How to get unbreakable tools and armor in Minecraft. So first, just simply make sure that you have your sheets and commands turned on or allowed in your world. To do that, just simply click on escape, click on open to land, make sure that the lag command is turned on. Then just simply click on start land world. Now, once it's done, what you want to do is go to the description of this video and copy the command that I will put there. Now go back to Minecraft, click letter T on your keyboard, then paste the command that I've put on the description, then just simply click on enter. After that, it will give you this netherite sword, which has the unbreakable effect right here. And if you want to use it for armor, you just simply need to open up your chatting commands again, paste it, and change this sword to either, let's say, chest plate. You could also change the netherite here to diamond if you want. So we could do a lot of stuff with it. You simply need to change these right here. So I'm going to try it, click on enter. Now, as you can see, it just gave me the diamond chest plate with the unbreakable effect right there, or enchantment. And that's how you basically get unbreakable tools and armor in Minecraft.